Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other Faucet website. That Faucet is a touring website of the Faucet. You can claim your Faucet every 5 minutes and 20 time claim per day. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the website Touring Faucet, and you can claim every 5 minutes this much touring and 20 time claim per day. Okay, need a Faucet Pay wallet address in here. Go to your user dashboard, go to deposit and come down. This is the touring, and copy and go up to this website and just paste and just click claim, and you can solve this letter capture. Okay, solve this letter capture. This is a motorcycle, just solve it. Okay, just click next. Okay, just click check. Okay, and you can claim solve this capture 2469. okay, and wait for a second. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Go to your Faucet Pay account dashboard and you can see this website pay me my touring. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description. Bye bye.